So when I'm waiting to get unloaded, I like to have roasted seaweed snacks. Because, you know, why not? And the first ingredient is seaweed. All right. So my doctor said I'm not getting enough seaweed. 30 calories. Yum. Oh, Lord. Ugh. That tastes like something that came out of a mud puddle. Ugh. Yeah, wow, that was actually kind of god-awful. I won't say who gave these to me because I don't want to embarrass anybody. Alright, I need something to wash that down. Yikes. So, I'm going to have some ginseng to try to get that horrible taste to go away. Alright. Now that's good. That's actually real good. Made in the USA.